Hi everyone, in today's system I'm gonna explain to you how to upload pictures to Pinterest. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to pinterest.com or simply open the app and then simply click on create. And now what you're gonna have to do is simply, so I'm gonna create a new one because I have already a draft here. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on this button to choose your picture. So I'm gonna go with something random. And basically if you want, you can edit this, so you can basically add some text, you can add a preview, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply give it a title, then enter a description, and after that you can add a link, and if you want you can choose a board, and as you can see, if you want you have the option to create a board for this specific picture, and then you can add tags and then tags, and then you have more options. So you have the option to allow people to comment and then show similar products. And then after you enter all the details and you make all the changes for your picture, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on publish, and basically that's all you have to do. So basically that's it. As you can see now it's publishing. You're gonna have to wait until this loads, and then basically you can go and view your pin so you can see it on your profile. So basically that's all. So as you can see it's right here. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.